Alright, here we go, guys. We're all cleaned up. Well, let's check out the show and let you guys check out, see what's going on. We're going to go pick up our placard, and then we'll head all the groups.
That was when the rabbits ruled. Just one of those SSRs. No, it means they can't judge it.
This whole section is Class 8 modern muscle car. Beautiful gray in this Camaro. Got his stickies on, he's ready to rock. Mind if I YouTube you?
Oh yeah.
So 370. First of all, what's your name? Tell us about your car.
Oh, my name is Jacob. This is it's a stock engine SRT8, 2006, and I just put a Hellcat blower on it.
Okay.
So it has a conversion kit.
And 370, what does that mean?
That's the displacement of the old engine. So it's 6.1 liters instead of
nice.
6.2 Hellcat.
What kind of power are you putting out?
I haven't dynoed it, but probably 650. But,
To the wheel or on the motor?
to the motor.
Nice.
And the car weighs like 3,800.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's stripped. The interior stripped down.
Is it?
Everything past the driver's seats.
Now, I see you got two different wheels there. Is one
Oh,
for
yeah.
a track tire? Or?
Yeah, the rears are 315s and the fronts are 245s.
Carrying a lot of weight back there. Rotating weight is big on horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need it though.
Do you?
Actually, that's not really enough.
What gear are you running?
It's a 5-speed nag one with a stock. It's actually a open diff, so the stock open diff 3. I think it's 302.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's quite a tall gear.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool, cool. I like your plate there, Austin.
Thank you.
Laugh out loud, run. Nice car. So this is what my car would have looked like. So I never had the original wheels
Yeah.
when I bought it. I don't know what the owners did with it, but 2012 Boss 302. How many miles you got on it?
36,000 and change.
Okay, it's still a baby.
Yeah.
Nice car, man.
Thank you.
That's cool. Have you tracked it?
I only took it to the drag strip once so far. I do want to get it out on track though.
Stock tire?
It's got some Continental Extreme Contact.
Oh, okay. I just got those. I like them.
Yeah,
They're sticky, right?
really, really well. Like if I go crazy in first, then I'll spin through first. But grabs in second pretty good.
Yep, yep. Beautiful car, buddy. Thanks for sharing.